earn 50,000 in a month, or 100k in a month, and 200k in a month. Yes.
Hello.
Start with the name of the God. So how I can work in this industry, and is it possible for that? I can earn 50,000 in a month, or 100k in a month, and 200k in a month. Yes, it's possible. If you close 2 sale deals, you can achieve your target. But the reason, make your mind, you can achieve it. If you make your mind, I can achieve it, you can achieve it. But if you make maybe, if you put maybe, you cannot. So this is the same like you believe on the God. You are front of the holy places, Khana Kaaba, and you're thinking about, God, can you give it to me something? In front of the God, is the king of the king, and you're asking God, can you give it to me? How can? It means you have 100% trust for that. God, can you give me? And He can give it to you. So stay tuned.